It's no secret that through evolution, we're all related. We go back 300,000 years, Those humans that existed 300,000 years ago that had an unbroken line of reproduction, they're all our ancestors. Every single one of that tribe of humans. And they say we left Africa somewhere around, 100,000 years ago or something, somewhere around there. But that tribe of humans, that existed in Africa, all those tribes of humans that existed in Africa, you know what I mean? We're related to all of them. Not one of them, all of them. And same with like races. Every race can go back in time so many generations to, basically a smaller tribe, extended family, whatever, that, bred over generations and generations and generations and generations to create a huge tribe that's an extended family, that we call races of people or whatever. But anyways, it goes the other way too. We look at our descendants, our collective descendants, after so many generations. We're all ancestor to those descendants, you know what I mean? And I ask you a question, how far does your love stretch, you know what I mean? Of course you love your kids, your grandkids, your great-grandkids, If you live long enough, your great-great and great-great-great and great-great-great-great. How far does it go, you know what I mean? 1 generation? 10 generations? 100 generations? 1,000 generations? You know what I mean? 1,000,000 generations? Like, how far does it really go? Ask yourself that question. It's important. Anyways, let me explain why we're all related. If not through our ancestors, through our descendants also. I'm just going to explain it, At the rate of 10 descendants for every generation of human seed, we become ancestor to all human life quicker than we think. With that perfect world we hear could exist, say by 30 people produce an average of about 10 kids. Do your math and you'll understand why varying races produce a more pure version of what a human truly is. You at 30, you have 10 kids. You at 60, you have 100 grandkids. You at 90, you have 1,000 great-grandkids. You at 120, you have 10,000 great-great-grandbabies. Rich man. Oops. Due to factors you must observe as an observational apparition, along with all other versions of life at this stage. You at 150, you have 100,000 descendants. You at 180, you have 1,000,000 descendants. You at 210, you have 10,000,000 descendants. You at 240, you have 100 million descendants. You at 270, you have 1 billion descendants. You at 300, you have 10 billion descendants. Fuck. Now you're 1,020, and you got less than a 1. Well, let me count all these zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. A 1 with 34 zeros behind it. I don't know what that number is, And if I looked it up and I said it right now, I'm pretty sure very few people would even know what that number is. So I just didn't even look it up. Now you're 1,020 and got less than that many descendants due to the size of the earth and its resources. Interesting. So basically, everybody alive right now with an unbroken line of descendants, it's going to be ancestor to all human life after so many generations. It's just the way it is, So just realize, everybody on this planet is related because of that. If not because of the past, because of the future, We're all part of the same human family. Whether or not you acknowledge this or not, it doesn't matter because it's the truth. And that's all that matters.